everyone, my name is Angelica and today we're going to study about experiment. Blow balloon up cars. Let's begin. First we need 4 caps and some straws, sticks and a bottle. And of course balloon. Cut the bottle in rectangular shape. That's a lot. Stick the straws on the bottle. Stick the straws together. Put the small stick at the cap. These are the wheels to use for my car. Then next, we put the tires at the straw. Now our car is almost done. Yippee! Yay! It's going to be a racing car. Yeah. Right, with 2, 3 straws. Oh, I got it! I got it! Yay! Two, 3. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Our car is done! Yay! Yeah!
One, two, blow.
Good job! Ate, doing different types of colors. Not only red and this is our finished project. Thank you for watching my videos. Click at the button for more videos. Bye-bye.